great opportunity to get students to understand their connection to the environment by doing simple behaviors like planting a native species. It connects them to their campus, it connects them to what stormwater management is. There is a drain that's over here. So all this planting is going to help clean that water before it gets into the drain so they connect to their ecosystem. And also this is going to beautify their campus.